Morning, everybody. Got a new sweatshirt. I'm wearing that new sweatshirt that I got yesterday. Slept like a rock, other than when I needed to get up and feed Jensen in the middle of the night. It was like he went hours without food, between feeds, and I slept like a dang rock. It was really hard staying up feeding him, and then I went right back to sleep. And then James, little returning rock star to the videos, he slept until 7. Hi, it's my boy. He was so happy to see me when I got him. I missed him so much. I think you pooped. Yeah. He didn't have a poop for me waiting when I woke him up, so I think he pooped now, because he's stinky. Hey, yeah. So I ate my breakfast, and now I'm just relaxing for a bit. We're gonna relax through the weekend. We gotta come up with a plan for next week. See what's the plan. So yeah. Yeah. So I'll talk to you guys later. Hey, Baldy. What's up, bald head? Doing a little tummy time. James is out with Dee on a bike ride. They're gonna go to like Dollar General or something. After James wakes up from his nap today, we're gonna all go as a family to the Sebastian Inlet. You can go to Sebastian Inlet and just chill, get some water time. Mr. Man. Yeah, so that's our plan for today. And then Wild Hearts came out today, so I can actually play some of it. What are you doing? You rolling? We decided to come to Sebastian Inlet. I got Mr. Man down here. Mr. Jensen. First time at the beach. Auntie D and James are right over there. Mommy's right there. It's very sunny out. Good waves. Very beautiful. So, trying to figure out what we're gonna do for dinner later. Very loud. Waves are always loud. So, yeah, it's. Let me get a. Here's what we see. Well, man, if you're watching that's a fishing pier that goes all the way out. People fish here all the dang time. Maybe next time, and there's a fishing bridge on the other side too. But this is the inlet from the ocean into the river.
Maybe.
Jamesy. Whoa! I watch Jensen. So yeah, very cool spot. We've always liked it here. Hey, I'm back, or we're back. We went to Culver's for dinner because they had the walleye back, the walleye sandwich. So me, Dee, and Mama all got a walleye sandwich. They got fries. I got cheese curds because I love Culver's cheese curds. James got a grilled cheese and some French fries, and then Mama and Dee got little mini concrete mixers, and then James got his free scoop of frozen custard. Vanilla, of course, because it's delicious. He probably would like chocolate. A little too much. And then that kid ate. We ate there because Jensen started crying right when we left, pretty much. So had to. We were like, let's just eat there, and Michelle can give him the bottle. So yeah, pretty nice. I think we're gonna have a chill night. I'm gonna play the new Wild Hearts game because it just came out today, so I was able to make some progress in it. Because I played the 10-hour early access thing while I was in the hospital. I did pretty much everything I could there. You could only hunt 3 monsters on the 10-hour access, but now you have full access to the game. James is upstairs with Dee, and then he's gonna come downstairs and have a bath, and then it's sleepy time. So, but let's get him on camera.
Oh my God!
Is that James farting? Is that James farting? Is that farty boy?
I told that dairy. It's all dairy.
He's like, I had milk and I had ice cream and grilled cheese. You dairied out, kid.
You won't be pooping tomorrow.
So. Alright, so that's the last update of the night. I hope everyone has a fantastic evening. I gotta feed the dogs. Alright. Side eye.
Side eye.
Alright.
Side eye.
Bye bye.